Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best car covers available for the Ford F150, the JURMON heavy-duty outdoor car cover. Whether you're protecting your truck from rain, sun, snow, or dust, this cover promises to deliver. Let's break down why this might be the perfect choice for your Ford F150. The JURMON car cover is designed to withstand the toughest elements nature can throw at your vehicle. Made from heavy-duty materials with a multi-layer structure, it offers exceptional durability and wear resistance. This means it's not just a cover, it's like a portable garage protecting your F150. What sets this cover apart? First, its custom fit for the Ford F150 ensures a snug and secure fit, essential for effective protection. It's completely waterproof, UV-resistant, and can handle strong winds with its windproof design. The soft cotton lining protects your vehicle's paint while shielding it from harmful UV rays, dirt, bird droppings, and more. Let's talk design. The JURMON cover features an elasticized hem and fixed buckles to keep it securely in place, even in windy conditions. It includes a convenient driver door zipper for easy access without removing the entire cover, making it practical for everyday use. Reflective strips enhance visibility at night, and ventilation holes prevent moisture buildup inside the cover. Imagine having a cover that you can rely on year-round. Whether it's scorching heat in summer or heavy snowfall in winter, the JURMON car cover has your F150 protected. It's not just about keeping your vehicle clean, it's about preserving its value and appearance for years to come. JURMON stands behind their product with easy installation and a commitment to customer satisfaction. They've tailored this cover to meet the specific needs of Ford F150 owners, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best way to protect your Ford F150 from the elements, look no further than the JURMON heavy-duty outdoor car cover. It's durable, reliable, and designed to keep your truck looking its best. Check out the link in the description below to find out more and get your own today.